Hi guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing the Insta360 X5. It's still packed. We will check what's inside. I want to open this. So it's big. It's a big camera. The battery is different. It's a big camera, so you have the camera. What else? What else is inside? Okay, you have this box, and you have the casing. Cannot open it, you need to tear it apart. Oh, it's nice to have a casing. I think there is also the charger. And what's this? So it's all here. Nice. Insta360 pouch, charger, else, and nothing. Okay, that's it. You have also the cleaning pouch, charger. So that's it, guys, and goodbye, guys. That's it. Oh, I want to see how I open this. Oh, it's a very nice and thick charger. Wow. It's the 360, but I think I'm not gonna use this. Let's put it. So that's it, guys, and more. This one. Okay, you can open it easily. You didn't need to do brutal force. Think bold. Cleaning cloth. It's good. Then yeah, it's done. Wheel limits. No limits. That's wheel limits. Okay, so put it here. This this one here. So that's it. Goodbye, guys. Can also turn it on. It's a bit bigger. Compared to the okay, that's it guys. Bye bye.